We're at the National Hardware Show looking at some of the cool things here in the inventors area, and that brought me to the Hinge Hanger booth. Check this out. That hinge on the door could be used for more than just the hinge. You can get something like the Hinge Hanger, and what that does is it hangs right on that hinge, and it allows you to put a variety of different things. You might have a small one where you could, let's say, throw an extra roll of toilet paper if you needed. Or the larger ones, in a garage, you could have your paper towels up and out of the way, hangers there to do a variety of different things. They've got a small, medium, and large size, and what's really kind of cool is that they all come in the box. Then you can get that, and we'll put a link in the description below where you can go and get that. But just something that's going to be able to make use of some space that might have been, kind of forgotten about. Just so many different options. This is really, really cool. You can go find more information out at hingehanger.com. And again, we'll put the links in the description below so you can check out one of these cool finds here from the National Hardware Show.